Household activities. Can you open the door?
Can you open the door?
Please close the door.
Please close the door.
Switch on the TV.
Switch on the TV.
Switch off the TV.
Switch off the TV.
Don't touch the stove.
Don't touch the stove.
Be careful with the glass.
Be careful with the glass.
Put your plate in the sink.
Put your plate in the sink.
Take out the trash.
Take out the trash.
Let's water the plants.
Let's water the plants.
Don't throw things on the floor.
Don't throw things on the floor.
Wash the dishes.
Wash the dishes.
Fold the blanket.
Fold the blanket.
Clean your shoes.
Clean your shoes.
Pick up your toys.
Pick up your toys.
Don't run inside the house.
Don't run inside the house.
Eating and food. Can I have some water?
Can I have some water?
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm full.
I'm full.
I like fruits.
I like fruits.
I don't like vegetables.
I don't like vegetables.
Eat slowly.
Eat slowly.
Don't waste food.
Don't waste food.
Pass me the spoon, please.
Pass me the spoon, please.
This tastes yummy.
This tastes yummy.
I want some juice.
I want some juice.
Let's eat together.
Let's eat together.
Don't play while eating.
Don't play while eating.
Finish your food first.
Finish your food first.
Wash your hands before eating.
Wash your hands before eating.
Time for snacks.
Time for snacks.
School and learning. Let's read a story.
Let's read a story.
Open your notebook.
Open your notebook.
Write your name.
Write your name.
Circle the correct answer.
Circle the correct answer.
Learn your lesson.
Learn your lesson.
Recite the poem.
Recite the poem.
Count the numbers.
Count the numbers.
Solve the puzzle.
Solve the puzzle.
Draw a picture.
Draw a picture.
Color it neatly.
Color it neatly.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully.
Don't copy from others.
Don't copy from others.
Show me your work.
Show me your work.
Time for a break.
Time for a break.
Pack your bag.
Pack your bag.
Family and friends. Good morning, Grandma.
Good morning, Grandma.
Good night, Grandpa.
Good night, Grandpa.
I love my brother.
I love my brother.
I love my sister.
I love my sister.
Let's play together.
Let's play together.
This is my friend.
This is my friend.
Can I join you?
Can I join you?
Come to my house.
Come to my house.
Please help me with this.
Please help me with this.
I miss you.
I miss you.
I'm happy to see you.
I'm happy to see you.
Let's share our toys.
Let's share our toys.
Don't shout at your friends.
Don't shout at your friends.
Be kind to others.
Be kind to others.
Always help your parents.
Always help your parents.